Today, I am going to unboxing Disney's Ralph Breaks the Internet on Disney DVD and Blu-ray. Let's start with the DVD then, shall we? From Walt Disney Animation Studios comes a hilarious adventure, Ralph Breaks the Internet. Ralph and fellow misfits Penelope risk it all by traveling to the internet in search of a part to save her game. When Penelope embraces this really new world, Ralph realizes he may lose the only friend he's ever had. Let's open them now, shall we? Here I have is a DVD disc. Next we have is the Blu-ray. And here's a bonus features. Includes How We Broke the Internet, Surfing for Easter Eggs, the music of Ralph Breaks the Internet, BuzzTube Cats, Delete Scenes, music video 0 performed by Imagine Dragons, music video in its play performed by Julia Michaels. Okay, let's open up now, shall we? Here is the Blu-ray disc. And there you have it. Well, I hope you join Disney's Ralph Breaks the Internet on Disney DVD and Blu-ray.